Unbox and check accessories. Turn the printer over to its back. Open the back cover. Loading the label tape. Ensure the ribbon is tightened. Ensure the ribbon aligns with the paper outlet. Close the cover. Press and hold the power button to turn on the printer. If the indicator is not on, charge it for 1 hour and try again. Power on, light turns red. Turn on the printer. Press the A/it to switch between uppercase and lowercase. Enter the content. Once finished, press print. Press the cutter lever to take out the label. Peel off the backing paper along the tier line. Click Menu and select Bluetooth. Use the direction button to select on. Open Print Master. Click Auto Connect. Select your printer. Click Pair to connect. Enter the content. After printing, press the cutter lever to remove the label.